The market is looking pretty good, and whenever things go up, there are a couple outliers that go up more than a little bit. While some tokens are up by like 10 to 20% in the past week alone, there are some tokens that are up by over 1,000% in the top 100, which is insane for itself. Which means if you were to be exposed to a couple different trading pairs, couple different tokens, and maybe have some leverage behind that, you not just get the option or opportunity to have being invested in tokens that went up by like a 2, 3, 4x, but because of the leverage went up by like a 50x for you or 100x. Does that happen? Different question. But there are always chances if you take them. And how to take those chances, that's what the video is about. While we have covered a couple different exchanges on this channel, we rarely ever talk about trading with leverage, which is why I wanted to show you a free exchange to sign up that not just offers you 100% leverage on every single trading pair, but also gives you up to $10,000 in bonuses when you register and deposit money. For most of us, we're signed up to like Binance, Maxi, Coinbase, the big ones. But even big ones like FTX eventually have security issues on which they lose clients' funds. On here they lost 0 since they started back in 2019. And they also serve over 153 countries, which means this is probably available wherever you are. Now the market as a whole is recovering pretty well. Even things in the top 10 and top 20 are up by about 20% in the past week alone, like Hyperliquid. And if we trade pairs that we believe in long term anyways, where we think that they are undervalued and they're probably going to go up by quite a lot, then putting a 100x leverage on your trade is not the worst idea if you're convinced anyways. When you sign up, it only takes about 30 seconds, for which we need 2 things. Need to confirm that we're not in the US or Canada, enter your email, verify the code, and then you're signed up, which then shows you all the different things that are available. We could skip the onboarding real quick so I can show you the website, on which every single trading pair that is available, so you can search for pretty much anything. They have quite a few tokens listed. So if we go to SUI, for example, and select our leverage size with a minimum of 5 up to 50, and can then on the left-hand side enter our leverage position. In this case, only isolated margins are available. You just set it in there, but you can also go with regular limit orders. All depends on what you prefer personally. If we go with BTC, for example, we can use up to 100x leverage and also select for the margin mode if we want to go with isolated over here or with cross margin instead. That is all up to you. Then for our trade over here, we got $32 to play with. We can open the trade with various amount of different leverage. If we simply use the maximum amount of 100x leverage, that means we can use $3,200 to play with in here. And even if it just goes up by a fraction of a percent, that, because of all the leverage, already gives you some bonuses, some money that way. Which means if we have our trade open and then close it, even if it just fluctuates by the tiniest amount, that already made you like $1 here or there without having much invested yourself. The different section of there's also copy trading, which means if you don't want to do anything, right? You don't trust yourself when it comes to trading. You simply look at who is the best return on equity, I think ROE stands for. Go with the list, see how many people follow them. And you could say, for example, with Lil Trade over here, how much they used in equity and how much the strategy equity is over here and the return on investment, which seems pretty good with 800%. You can then click on follow. And if you have enough collateral on your account, you can then automatically follow their trades. So if you don't trust yourself, trust the ones that know what they're doing. And right now, when you start trading, they also have an ongoing tournament, which I have linked down below as well. But the main gist of it is that the more people that sign up with the link down below and start trading, the higher the price pool is going to go, with the top 10 traders in here, based on volume alone, are going to share 80% of the pool with the respective percentages listed down here. The remainder of 20% is then distributed among 10 lucky traders with at least 1 trade. Which means if you sign up anyways, there are some additional bonuses that you get that way. And with over 500,000 registered users and 180k of daily trades, while all of this being free, this might be something for you as well. So far they got over 55 different assets available. There are going to be more in the future, of course. And if you want, on the left hand side, there is a QR code that you can scan. You will then get sent over to the app over here if you prefer to trade on your phone. And again, when you deposit money on the site, you get a 20% bonus up to 10k. So if you were to put in $50,000, you would get 10,000 for free in bonuses alone. I think the minimum deposit amount is $10, which you need to start. But if you use $10 with 100x leverage, that's as much as trading with $1,000. So as long as things go up, it's all good. What I was personally thinking about the most when it comes to leverage trading is if we believe that long-term Bitcoin is going to go up anyways, and let's say it fluctuates by 4-5% maximum, right? If we go to like 113k and then we drop to 110, that's less than 3% of a loss. So if you were to use 20x leverage, 100 divided by 20 is 5, which means there's 5% of a drop down that can happen before you get liquidated. And you'll be safe in that regard, can use 20 times as much money. And if it goes up from, let's say, 110 up to 114, then that 4% gain times 20 is 80% gains. So as long as you have a feel for the market, this seems pretty good. But then again, I can only tell you things that I found that might be interested to you. But of course, there is some risk involved with everything. In the end, if you over leverage yourself and you get liquidated, it's gone. But if you do the right thing, where it's green and it keeps on going up, you're pretty good. I will leave links down below. Again, it's completely free to sign up. Maybe you like it too. Maybe it's better than other exchanges that you've used, as this one feels a lot more smooth. And with the copy trading feature, where you can just follow other people trading, it might be a nice way to allocate a certain percentage of your portfolio too, just to have it work in the meantime without you doing any trades yourself. Links down below. Let me know what you think. Again, you get 20% in bonuses just by depositing any amount of money, up to 10K. And if you actively trade and generate some volume, you also participate in the trading tournament. But all of that is linked in the description down below. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments, and I would say have a good rest of your day and take care.